There are 3 steps to successfully start a research paper. This short video will cover the first step, exploring and picking a topic. One of the easiest ways to become engaged in a paper is by picking an interesting topic. Unfortunately, students often think that they have to close their eyes and try to think of a clever topic all on their own. Sometimes this means revisiting a short list of standby topics that have been used for years. Many times students don't know where to turn to find an interesting topic. This is especially true if your instructor has asked you to find a topic in a subject area that you may be unfamiliar with. Fortunately, just as you needn't visit a new restaurant and attempt to order without looking at a menu, you don't need to pick a research topic without viewing some options first. This is where the library's background and reference resources can come in handy. You can find these types of resources on the library page in Canvas, or you can go directly to the Library Database tab on the home screen and select a background resource such as CQ Researcher or Opposing Viewpoints in Context. If you are having difficulty finding a background resource on your topic, you can also use Search at UW and limit your items to reference entries. On the left-hand side of your results screen, under Resource Type, select Reference Entries. Background and reference entries are a great place to start because they can catch you up on the general conversation surrounding any topic. A background resource such as CQ Researcher is a great place to start because you can browse a number of topics that you wouldn't normally have considered. If your teacher has asked you to pick a topic in a certain category, such as sports or climate, you can often browse just those areas. Let's say my professor has asked me to pick a topic related to climate. So I browse in CQ Researcher for items related to environment, climate, and natural resources. I have a number of different topics and subtopics to choose from. Once a topic catches your eye, you're ready to take step 2, learning about a topic.